Hello guys! Welcome back to Professor Explains channel. Today, I will review videos from the Insta360 Ace Pro camera and compare its video quality to that of the GoPro Hero 12 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I just bought a new Insta360 Ace Pro camera as my first action camera, which differs from GoPro. Although GoPro is well established and recognized as an action camera with stunning videos, the new Insta360 Ace Pro has a larger sensor, longer battery life, magnetic mount, flip screen, and AI highlights assistant. Also, I mainly use Samsung Galaxy phones for high-resolution cinematic recording. The Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Ultra are perfect for this. Although they have improved stabilization technology that ensures smooth, professional-looking cinematic videos, action cameras still have advantages for any video, including actions or movements. With its 8K video recording capability, the Galaxy S24 Ultra allows users to capture ultra-high-definition footage with incredible detail and clarity. In this video, I compare the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 8K video footage with the Insta360 Ace Pro. Also, I compared maximum resolution videos, 8K videos from Insta360 Ace Pro and 3K from GoPro Hero 12, as well as 4K videos from both cameras. So enjoy! In conclusion, Insta360 Ace Pro and GoPro Hero 12 excel in action-packed situations with their advanced stabilization and high frame rate capabilities. In my opinion, the GoPro Hero 12 is a rugged build compared to the Insta360 Ace Pro. Also, Insta360 Ace Pro did better in video quality in this video comparison. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra provides excellent overall quality and features. Please comment on which camera performed best and why. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And for more insightful content, don't forget to subscribe to Professor Explains channel. Thank you for watching. Keep track of more videos soon. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe down below.